Hello everyone, Brooklyn here with Auto Video Engage, and today I'll be talking about why businesses in the automotive service industry use video email and some of the potential benefits it could have on your company. So as I mentioned in a previous video, there is a huge benefit from an operational standpoint from using video email to communicate. So say there is an unforeseen issue on an ongoing repair, you just pull out your phone or your tablet, record a video, and let your customer really see what's going on. This will really help them understand the importance of that additional repair that you are suggesting, and in return, increase your average dollar per RO. Also increase your customer satisfaction and your CSI scores. And not only does video email have to be used with current customers, you could also use this to communicate with past customers, help re-engage them, maybe remind them about upcoming maintenance that may be due, or even send them promotions to get them back into your shop. You could use this to engage potential customers as well. So quick stat for you, if you have the word video in your email subject line, it is much more likely to be opened, and people are twice as likely to reply if you're sending them a personalized video message. So if you are a repair shop, collision center, or any other business that offers services within the auto industry, I highly suggest you start utilizing video. Play around with it, see how it does increase your customer engagement and increase your revenue. So Auto Video Engage makes this super easy for you. There's a free trial, no credit card needed if you would like to just see for yourself how much of a benefit this type of tool can be for your business. But that's all I have for you today, and I hope you all enjoyed. Bye-bye.